Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button, so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage. Now we have to focus on the first one, settings bar, because here we can manage our aspect ratio. We are in 3 and 4, let's move to left to 1 and 1. Now the background has changed to the square one, as you can see. Another tap to right corner options, and let's pick 9 and 16, so we can see a little bit longer ratio. And here we get access also to the full one, so as you can see we have full camera frame. And of course you can stay on whatever you need. Now let me move back to 3 and 4, original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.